I'm Shoshan. My company developed customer care and billing since 1996. We developed our billing from scratch, and today we have a full generic convergent customer care and billing product called XPertBilling. XPertBilling is a fully customizable by table-driven method, no code, no programming. Our core market is B2B, mainly for the telco, MVNO, MVNE, and MNO, but our software XPertBilling can be used for other markets as well. Because XPertBilling is a product, we offer a fast deployment, high flexibility, and reliable billing with unique features for the B2B segment. The B2B market needs to react and adapt to changes. Flexibility in software means that the business can face changes in the market by presenting new marketing, new offers in virtually no time. And we offer this unparalleled flexibility. We offer to our clients the ability to add new products, packages of products with their pricing, of course. Even the way it will be billed can be defined. We can define a one-off service, recurrent fee, monthly, quarterly, yearly, etc. All this without the need of an expert or developer. Yes, XPertBilling support any language, and you can define the currency that you want, include the precision of the currency. Yes, XPertBilling usually delivered with a web service API, which is a generic interface that enables to interconnect with any third-party software. We often use the web service API for scheduler as well, so you can automate processes. Any company must have a control of their billing, and even more with MVNO, because MVNO is usually a smaller company and the margins are tight. Customer care and billing is not only a billing software, it is also a monitoring tool that enables to control the income and expenses. For example, the MVNO needs to pay CDR file. You must control this CDR file that it was correctly billed, that all of it was billed, and if you have multiple sources of CDR file, it is a must to have a control. XPertBilling processes can be automated, as I mentioned before. For example, the collector that collects CDR files can be executed every X minutes or hours or days if you want, and you can get an email if something went wrong. Once the collector is finished, you can get analytical reporting, and of course, all this should be set in advance. We offer a full support to our client because the software and the database are in the client premises. We offer phone, Skype, remote access, and/or email support. On the top of this, for the how-to questions, we can send videos. Of course, that after the deployment, we stay with the client for a few days on site to assist with the configuration. As we are in the telco, the privacy is very important. The moment the database is inside the MVNO office, it is more secure than it is in the cloud, especially if the database server is not connected to the internet. Our web service API is usually installed on a separate server. The connection with the database is using highly secure protocol. Setting up the platform can be done in less than half a day, including the web service API. The configuration of the system can take up to a week when you have all the information. And I include in those days the invoice layout. For example, during the COVID-19 period, there was a special SMS for different announcement to the population. My client defined a new rule in the collector to identify those SMS, and a new package was set to build those SMS as his client bought the SMS in bulk. My client had to define a package for a bulk SMS, one price until the bulk is used. Another example, more typical example, for large data consumers, my client defined a package, but in order to avoid an out of the package price, my client defined another package once the first is fully consumed. Last example, a B2B client wants to add a split bill. The split bill is a fully customized per B2B client. The adjustment of packages and prices take a few minutes, and the best, you can test it right away. XPertBilling support both B2B and B2C. The configuration will be the same, but for the B2C, we may define more databases. All those databases are connected, and of course, they are fully transparent to the user of XPertBilling. Yes, we support IoT, and even more. For example, an IoT user may have one SIM card, but multiple devices can be connected to it. We can get the data per devices and bill it correctly, plus the SIM card, of course.